Now I'm going to do the body, and I got to pick up the last node on the grey, which was there. So I go and I pick up my run line tool, numeral 3, there it is. And I take a little trip down to the body, and I'm going to come down this side because you can see this side. The program has used this side to travel on edge, because I asked it to square off my nodes. And I'm going to put that up inside his chin. Bring these out here, because these will act as extra reinforcement edge underlays and give a little bit of body. And just how that generates stitches. Now it's done it in grey, and I want the pink. There we go. And to do that, I just clicked on the colour I wanted, held down my left mouse key and dragged it down onto the bar. Now I click onto that fill tool. I'm going to bring my screen down a little, hit my numeral 3 key, and I'm going to preset my angle, hold down my P key and just move that angle. Yeah, I think 55 will be fine. Lay my first node out so as I'm covering the edge of the Easter egg, that side. Click around the inside of the paw. Now I could do the paws and the body in one and use the carve tool, but I want a change of direction in the stitching. I don't want the stitching all done the same. And bring this one over to here. Move my node up. Take that up into the chin. Move this node out so as it covers the end stitches of the egg. Put one in the center there. One here. Until that generates stitches. And I want the fill end point over here. Started up here. Let's just check that. Edit. That was the fill start point. Let's make the fill end point down here. That's the lowest one. Fill end point here. Fill start point up there. Until that generates stitches. And it still gives me the wayward stitches. Not to worry. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my tool again. Hit my numeral 3 key. And do this paw. I've lost the scroll facility in this program. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. Down, so as I'm trapping those end stitches on my Easter egg, the end stitches on the stem. I don't want any gaps. Move him down there, down to there. Move my curve node out. I want my end point, my fill end point. Actually, I want it right there. So I'm going to make that my fill end point. I'm going to make this one, because it's the highest, my fill start point. Bring that curve back down around there. Fill end point there. Fill start point there. And we'll make this, the angle, slightly more, 143. Generate stitches. Oh, and it's given me this horrible whippy line. I hate these whippy lines. Generate stitches. Highlight the whole thing again. Go and pick up the carve tool again. generate. And let's take a look at that in 3D. Now you can see the carve. I'm not really a great admirer of the carve. It forces needle penetrations and you can end up with really small stitches, and sometimes they're too small and you can get thread breaks. Okay, now we've got to get from here over to there. But we'll do that, I think, in the next video. So let's just take a quick look at that little. There it is. And I'll see you in the next video.